had an interesting revelation. The difference between matter and energy is that matter is affected by the force of gravity, whereas energy is not. There is one exception, which I'll go ahead and explain. The effect of gravity on matter is that, in my opinion, it pushes rather than pulls. However, when gravity is powerful enough, then it can pull upon energy in the form of photons. What is a photon? It is a basic packet of energy.
Some strange animal running.
Where?
I don't know, what was it? Let's see if I can see him.
Was it a lizard?
No, it was something big.
Was it Bigfoot? Well, anyways, the only time when gravity can affect energy in the form of photons is when it is so powerful that it can pull, and that's the only time when, in my opinion, gravity can affect energy. Now, the basic packet of energy is a photon, and it is my view that energy and mass are the same. They just have some sort of inner mechanism that causes them to have differences, but they share the same mechanism, and that mechanism is quanta. Now, various forms of energy and the electromagnetic scale is really, in my view, just photons that are having quanta vibrate at a different frequency. So, ultraviolet radiation has its packets of energy vibrating differently than a packet of energy in the form of infrared energy. So, another thing I've also come to realize is that energy and gravity are forms of energy that behave at constants. Speed of light can only go the speed of light, and gravity will always exert the same push on mass, no matter how large the body of mass is. That's why when you drop a feather and a hammer in a low gravity environment where there are no potential forms of resistance, the feather and the hammer will always land at the same time. This is gravity as a force always acting at a constant. And so does light. Light cannot go faster or slower than the speed of light. Well, perhaps it can. It can be manipulated, but in the natural universe, light will always go at the speed of light. Now, this is very interesting to me, that light and energy somehow are constants. So, anyways, mass are always affected by these constants of light and gravity. Gravity is the force that is the foundation of space-time. Gravity wants to force everything together so that gravity as a force of energy can flow with minimal resistance in the universe. This process of pushing mass together, it creates fusion, which in turn creates energy and more mass, as the fusion process results in a fusion explosion. Hence, gravity is the foundation of space-time. So, I'm trying to figure out the answer of what is anti-gravity, the basis of anti-gravity, and also what is gravity, is to explain why gravity always, as well as light, why does it always behave at a constant when it interacts with matter? If you have anything you wish to add to this conversation, do you?
I do not.
Okay.